This July on Dominion TV, we bring you more inspirational and family entertainment. Find more excitement with fresh episodes of your favorite programs like Inspire.
That song was written by OJ.
Oh, OJ wrote that song.
Yeah, OJ wrote that song. Yeah.
There's more learning and fun with Do You Know Your Bible?
What was the last words of Jesus before he died on the cross?
And can they hold a tune on Kingdom Street Karaoke?
All the days of my life I praise you.
Catch more energy with Get Fit Africa.
Let's get fit, Africa. Woo!
And for more depth, dive deep as we go deeper in the Word. And introducing the new off-limit reality talk show, Let's Talk About It. It's a whole new phase of more Dominion inspiration. This July, only on Dominion TV.